I've been saying this for a long time. It's massively important to think of Amazon as just one channel that you get customers through, acquire customers, make sales through. You ought to be selling on multiple different channels, from eBay to Amazon to Shopify, etc., etc., etc. But Amazon has something called multi-channel fulfillment that makes that super easy for you logistically to do that. So in this video, I want to show you how you can utilize multi-channel fulfillment to make your job as an e-commerce entrepreneur easier. Let's go. That's all very well and good in theory, but having a multiple different ways that your products get into the hands of your customers, Shopify, eBay, TikTok stores, Facebook stores, blah, 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 is logistically a pain in the ass. And it means that there's a lot more work to do. But fortunately, Amazon has come up with something called multi-channel fulfillment. In essence, what that means is Amazon will let you use Amazon's warehouses to store your stuff. And then if you make a sale to somebody on your Shopify store, for instance, you can then ship your product to your person who you've made a sale to, your Shopify customer, using Amazon's fulfillment services too. And that's a good thing, I think. I reckon that's a really good thing. So how do you set that up? It's pretty simple. So there's a couple of different ways it works. And if you're just getting started and you don't have many sales coming in, then this is probably the best way for you. So as your sales come in from outside of Amazon's infrastructure, come to your listing, wherever it may be, come to this little edit sign, and then come down here to create fulfillment order. And then from there, you can put in all of your customers' details. And this is also available in where are we? In Australia too. They have this. Here we go. Yeah. So also available in Australia, also available in .co.uk, also available in DE as well. So lots of different platforms have it. So you come in here, put in all your details, and then Amazon will send the stuff out to them. Okay. Now, eBay hates this because eBay doesn't want you to send their customers products from Amazon in Amazon's boxes. So Amazon has facilitated this by allowing some products, not all products, some products to go in blank boxes. This one, unfortunately, does not allow that, but many of them do allow that. Okay, so that means you don't need to send your customers your product in an Amazon box. You can send it in a blank box, and that way you get around that eBay thing where you get in trouble if you do that. All right. So typical. So that's for one customer. Very simple to go through it. If you've got a few customers a day, like, I don't know, 4 or 5 customers a day who are doing this through, then the easiest thing to do is to upload a template that allows you just to download your information from Shopify, for instance, and then upload into Amazon, and then they'll just do bulk upload of your customers. That's the next easiest way of doing it if you've got more people. If you just want to integrate that whole thing and forget about it, much better in my not so humble opinion, then you can use something like WebB. There's others as well. But WebB is just the one I know. It's a Shopify app that just syncs up that information. So essentially what it will do is when you get an order on Shopify for your product, it will then go to Amazon through the API, tell Amazon, hey, we've just got an order here, send this product out. That whole thing is streamlined and done for you. Much better. That was a video from the regular Monday night Q&A session that I host with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. Over 2,500 of us now, not just here in Australia, indeed right around the world, and growing. We're actually the fastest growing community of professional e-commerce entrepreneurs here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, be sure to check out the link below, or indeed you can just get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. See you in the next video.